All right, kids, we have a Ferrari 296 GTB right here. You guys already know this is that entry-level Ferrari. It's like the SF90's younger brother. Beautiful car, and this isn't one of the nicest specs, if not the best spec 296 I've ever seen. Pearl white, which is beautiful. Not a lot of people get pearl white on their exotic cars, and I think that's a miss because pearl white is really nice on these cars. You got that really crazy red interior, so pearl white with red, and then you got some gloss black accents throughout the car. Actually, a lot of this we wrapped previously. There was more white on it, but this customer wanted to add a little bit more black. And obviously you can see it has some pretty wild HREs on there, and it is slammed to the ground on Novatec suspension. My finger can't fit in there. It's crazy. He's been driving like this for about a year, and now it's finally come time where he wants to raise it a little bit. We did warn him. He wanted it slammed, and he said he would live with it, but whenever he fits somebody in the car and drives fast, it rubs. So we're gonna be raising it a little bit. We're gonna be doing some wrap stuff on it, some maintenance stuff as well, and that's it. I mean, nothing major on this one. It's not getting a kit. It's not getting anything wrapped like that. It's just small, basic adjustments and maintenance work. But I mean, gorgeous car with the pearl white and the red. This is something I would spec out. The wheels are silver. Polished wheels would look really nice too. Obviously black would look great, but you know, it's always cool to show off these really, really expensive wheels.
Should be okay.
Yeah, I'm tested for this. Put a pressure.
Yeah, I don't know. You guys have to have tools.
Early Christmas to hide.
Yeah. How can Michael Jordan go and make shoe sales if he has no shoes? You guys are the same.
Yeah, right.
Nice. All right, guys. So we have this. God damn it! They don't work all day long. Range Rover here. As you guys know, we have been working on a lot of Range Rovers recently for their problematic coolant leaks. They have a lot of coolant leak problems. These cars have a lot of lines, a lot of cooling lines that are very, very, very sensitive. That can go bad at any time. So same story with this car, where Javier's doing a coolant repair. We have one of the lines that we changed, which is this guy here. So tend to leak, broken, plastic, all that stuff. So yeah, so we have the new one in right now. Javier's pressure testing it to make sure that we have no additional leaks. We're gonna top off the coolant, bleed the system, make sure it's okay, and get rid of the car.
We've been talking about URUS SEs since SEMA because we did that 3-day wide body URUS SE, first in the world, which is actually over there somewhere behind the SF90. But we had two SEs that are actually waiting for the wide body kits. One is actually up there. It's a Nero Nemesis factory matte black, and then we have an orange one. Once again, that makes 4 wide bodies on a kit that is not even really fully released yet. This is something we did with the Cullinans as well with the 1016 kit. Nobody on the planet does this. They could boast all they want. They could make all the videos they want. Nobody does what we do here at RDB. We don't talk, we get action done. You guys see it twice a week on YouTube. So SE, the orange one's coming, all wide bodied. I'm thankful this is gloss black because Peter's car was wrapped in a matte PPF. That one's a factory Nero Nemesis, so that's a factory matte black. That's gonna be a little challenging, but really, really nice with the blue interior. This one has a yellow interior, and the orange one has a black and orange interior. So all different kind of color combinations, gonna be fun. But yeah, look at this SC right now. You guys are gonna see it. It looks very, very soft, and we're gonna make it look way better. So stay tuned. Feels better?
It feels good, right?
That's for the internet.
Oh, you did. you're talking. All red. Customer wants it all red. Are we doing the white or no? So we're gonna do the Lotus and the stripes in white, and everything else is gonna be red. But we have to paint it 3 times. We have to paint all of it white, and then red, and then wipe the red off so the white stays, and then shoe clear. We do it all here. We don't show a lot of the stuff, like the little stuff, because we just, you know, run through them daily. But here's one we just walked into the booth and we saw it. And then we have a bumper, right? We have a bumper, and then we have a Range Rover hood. So we have 3 different jobs one time in the booth. They're not similar colors. One is red, this one is, what color is this? White. White, okay, so there we go. So white, and a red. You know, it's crazy because some shops, they have regular cars and they make more money than exotic shops. It's crazy. Usually the parts aren't in stock, so it takes a lot of time. But the other cars like Toyotas and Hondas, or, you know, cars like that, you can just get through them quickly. So the money just flows quicker and the cars don't stay by you. Oh, that's the one you painted?
Yeah, like 13 years ago.
Oh, look at them. Hold on, click it again.
Yeah, so young.
Yeah, but you haven't changed much.
No?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. All right.
I don't even know what is that. I don't even know. A Chevy truck of some sort. It is a full wrap. This is actually a satin desert wrap, so looks really cool and different. And this belongs to obviously the legendary Anderson Silva. If you guys don't know who that is, UFC legend, look him up. We did his URUS. We just did this bad boy. This is his like hunting truck. He does a lot of hunting and shooting. So this is what he uses that for. And he wanted to spice it up a little bit, make it different. But honestly, this job was huge for a wrap. Don't look at it as if just a wrap. We took this whole thing apart. It had dents and damages everywhere. We had to fix all of that stuff before we could wrap it, which we did. So now look at that. It looks like a flawless body on it. It looks brand new. Bumpers are metal in the front and back, steel. So we went ahead and painted those black. He didn't want to wrap those. So it has that, you know, big front end appearance, and the back looks good. His side step was bent from doing some rock climbing or something. So we had to actually unbend it and re-weld it back on instead of waiting for parts. So that's all fixed too. But yeah. This truck's pretty cool. It's something you don't see on the channel usually. You know, we do a lot of, I mean, the variety here is crazy. You guys already know. So, Anderson Silva, thanks for trusting the best here at RDB.
We have this Infiniti Q50S here. This car came in for a thermostat problem. We have a check engine light on that says thermostat failure. So after doing the inspection, we did come to shit. After doing it, I can't hear. After doing the inspection, it does need a thermostat. Now, the thing with this thermostat system on this car is it comes complete. So here's what the old one looks like. You guys can see. It's not just like a regular thermostat and gasket that a lot of cars come with. This one comes with the whole unit. Okay, so we have our brand new one here right now. Javier's gonna put this one in. We got a gasket as well. Put the gasket in, put it in, pressure test it, make sure everything's good, and reset the light. Now we're good to go.
Oh, you already saw it come right across my face. I'm not worried about it whatsoever. You feel lucky?
No.
Yeah, throw them in there. Let them drive.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think a match.
Let's see.
Yeah, you want to open the other door too, so it'll be cool.
I think we got a match.
Yeah.
The only thing is this Rolls Royce interior is probably not as rare as this color on a snake.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this won't hurt you. And probably this is the one you'd want. This is my style of living the dream. Because living the dream has a lot of different looks. You know, life's been good to me lately, and I could probably afford one of these. Living the dream, my style. Living the dream, their style. What's your favorite cars that you? Do you have any kind of favorite cars?
Ferraris, SF90s, Colonnades, Rolls Royces.
colonies. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that's nice. So, does that mean does this have, okay, that means that, hold on. I want to know, I want to see that I know things. Look, guys.
There we go.
Push the button on the
What am I doing
bottom.
wrong?
Button on the bottom.
Oh, okay, there we go. As soon as I knew what kind of car it was, I knew where this was. One time I was at a guy's house. He had 5 of them with license plates that cost twice as much as the car.
Oh, wow.
And
That's crazy.
I think he ended up in jail a few months later. Anyway.